If you're watching this video, then chances are you are on your millionaire timeline. Today I'm going to share with you this one powerful sign that you will be a millionaire and how to really step fully into your millionaire timeline. If you ignore this sign, you will stay stuck repeating the same income ceiling for years, most likely your entire life. But if you recognize this sign and act on it, you can shift timelines much faster. In this video, I will teach you how to understand the exact mindset that millionaires share. Spot the moment your wealth timeline begins, stop sabotaging your financial destiny, and how to step into your next level faster. And without further ado, here is the one sign. It is the inner knowing that you're meant for more, even if you can't prove it yet, even if it doesn't show in your bank account yet. Millionaires feel pulled by a future version of themselves. So if you feel restless and you hate your life or are just feeling meant for more, that's not impatience, it's a frequency shift. And this is the sign almost every future millionaire reports before success, a quiet but persistent refusal to live a mediocre life. So if this is you and you have this sign, how do you actually step fully into your millionaire timeline? And for this, I want you to visualize the life of you as a millionaire. What are your thoughts about money? Are you stressed about it? Do you feel like it's hard to come by, that you have to hustle super hard to get it? Is your mind in scarcity or are you in abundance? What habits do you have? What emotions do you have? What beliefs do you have? So visualize and journal about this. Next step is that you're willing to outgrow people to grow into your destiny. When you step into your light, when you stop dimming your light, there will be people in your life who don't like it. And the people who don't like it are jealous because they have not stepped into their own light. They have not fulfilled their own potential. So don't hate on them because it just means that they are scared. But if they are not supportive, I recommend blessing them but distancing yourself from them a bit. If you meet them 2 times a week, meet them once a month, if they still bring value to your life. And find friends, find people who are supportive of you. You are a result of the people closest to you. And the next step is to take messy action towards your purpose. So whatever dream that lights you up the most, maybe that's becoming a spiritual content creator on YouTube, or becoming a chef, becoming a fitness instructor, whatever that purpose is for you, pursue it wholeheartedly and take messy action. So you're using the law of inspired action. So don't worry about perfection, just keep taking weekly steps towards it. And this is when the universe will support you because it's seeing that you're actually serious about this. And if you want more clarity around what your purpose is and how to make money from it, then book a free business clarity call, link in the description. So if this resonates, if this is you, know that nothing's wrong with you. You're not delusional for wanting a more abundant life. You are just remembering who the F you are. And you're a light worker, here to help millions of people. So stop dimming your life, step into your purpose. Next up, watch Best Business Models for Spiritual People. A link in the description or somewhere around this video.